This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a golf iron shaft. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a heat gun, a sturdy vise with rubber clamps, a shaft cutter, 2-part epoxy, a new ferrule, and your new shaft and grip. Securing your club properly in the vise is crucial to prevent any damage during the process. Also, make sure your workspace is clean and well ventilated for safety. Now, let's remove the old shaft. Use a heat gun to apply heat to the hosel, the part where the shaft meets the club head, for about 30 to 60 seconds. This softens the epoxy. With protective gloves, carefully twist and pull the club head off the old shaft. Once separated, use a wire brush and acetone to thoroughly clean out any remaining epoxy from inside the hosel, ensuring a clean surface for the new shaft. Next, we install the new shaft. First, prepare the new shaft tip by sanding about 1 inch of the tip with 100 grit sandpaper. This helps the epoxy adhere better. Carefully mix your 2-part epoxy according to the manufacturer's instructions, ensuring it's thoroughly combined. Apply a generous amount of epoxy to the prepared shaft tip and inside the club's hosel. Then, slide the new ferrule onto the shaft, positioning it correctly against the club head. Finally, slide the club head onto the shaft, ensuring the ferrule sits flush against the hosel and the shaft is fully seated. Wipe away any excess epoxy immediately. Allow the epoxy to cure for at least 24 hours before proceeding. Once cured, install your new grip using double-sided grip tape and grip solvent, aligning it perfectly. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.